Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I've got a pair of broken glasses on, and I'm too lazy to go up and get the other ones. But what I got in Thursday's mail? So I got this. No, it's not for me. This is for my granddaughter. The middle one. She's so tiny, and she can wear this. I thought that was really nice. And she can wear it with a pair of leggings or something. That's a nice looking dress. And I got that for her. I got it to review, but I got it for her. When I get things to review, I get them for either Christmas presents or various things that I might like, things like that. Then, I gotta put this back in a plastic bag. I got quite a few things today. Then, I got, help, these. These are for the car, for my husband's car. I got these. And I reviewed these. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 mats for his car. And I got these to review. And I thought that would be nice for his car. So you know how men are about their cars. I'm not making fun of the men now. I'm just saying. Then, I got this camping set of pans and pots for my son. Hope I can get in this. These are all pots and pans. There are camping pots and pans, however. I'll get in. How's everybody doing, by the way? I guess I should have done this live, but I didn't. I didn't feel like it. I might come on live later with something. Who knows? Because I'm still doing that bathroom. So this is a little lock. And this is how it comes. In a bag that's nice. And it's this little pot set. And like I said, he likes camping, and they do hunting. Those hunting and things, I don't know exactly what, so I can't explain it, and I keep meaning to leave his links down, and I will. And this is it. This is all the pot. And this is the top of the pot, and then it just, has a, let me tell you what it has in there, because I don't want to pull this out, because getting it back in is not so easy sometimes. You can always get it out. But I did get it back in, thank goodness. So it has a, it's for 2 people, and it has a plastic bowl, it has a pot, frying pan, a spoon, a spoon, and 2 plastic bowls, and, well, that's it. And a sponge. Oh, okay. So that's it. So that's the camping gear. Then, I got oils. I got the EV, which is Earth Vibes Essential Oils, and they sent me, it's over here. They sent me 8. I'm not even gonna. And these are the oils. And I teach classes, so I can always use these oils. And it's got eucalyptus, sweet orange, peppermint, frankincense. It's got lavender. It's got lemongrass. It's got rosemary, and it's got tea tree. So I got those oils. And then I got these. These are going to go in my bathroom so the little girls can hook their little, let me take one out so you can see it. They're cup hooks. They're clothes hooks. But these are going to go in my bathroom, and they're going to go underneath so they can hook their, I got this wrong, I'm sorry. So they can hook their little washcloths and things on there. I thought those were really nice. And I got 4 of those. Then, I got another lemongrass oil, but from some other company. Review. And it's lemongrass, and it's by Organic, Cliganic. That's lemongrass. And then I got these LED lights right here. And I think I'm going to put those on the outside and the front of the house. Then I got Trevino Premium 24 Real Brush watercolors. Now, these are things I'm putting away. The girls are here, but they're in the other room. These are things I'm putting away for them for Christmas. So I got these, and I thought that these were nice. And then I got, and this is for my indoor garden, because I'm finding that I'm not doing much gardening outside. Well, I didn't. It all went kind of bad because the weather was not at all getting along with me. So I started gardening inside, and that's what I'm going to be doing, is gardening more inside and then on my back deck until it gets too cold, and then I'll bring them all in. I'm not doing this, so just bear with me so you can see what I got for the garden, for my gardening. I'm so happy. They sent me a squirt bottle, a watering bottle. I don't know what this is, but it's for something, and I'll figure it out. I never saw one like this. What doesn't mean I don't know what it is. This is the shovel. This is to scoop up the dirt. At least that's what I think it is. And these are, I need to get some other glasses, and I'm just too lazy. And these are my tools, the shovel, the rake, and this little, and I can do my little gardening in here, in the house. And there's a brush and a pair of scissors and some other forks, and I don't know what those are, but I'll look them up and try to find out. Because gardening has always been, I've never trained myself to be a gardener, or, you know, I've read a few things on doing this and doing that, but I'm not really in like a lot of people. I mean, they can tell you what all the gardening tools are and stuff like that. I can't. But, okay, by the same token, it doesn't mean I won't do it, because I'm going to do more indoor gardening and fall gardening. So then I got that. So that's that. And then I got, of course, you know, I got some variety of gardening things to garden with, some indoor things. And these are herb plants, and these are all, tell you what these are: basil, dill, cilantro, chives, arugula, parsley. So I'm going to be, like I said, gardening. And if you go back a couple of YouTubes back, I got that little garden thing that I can hang. I'm going to hang on the wall there. And then I got, and don't shoot me. I got another glue gun. I don't need one, but just in case. So I have two new glue guns just in case. And this came with glue sticks, and colored glue sticks at that. It's got some sequin glue sticks, glitter glue sticks, so I'm happy with that. And then I got scissors. From Toolbox. Let's see what these look like. No one can ever have enough anything, but you can never have enough scissors. Okay, and so I got 3 pair to review. I got those little ones, these medium, and then these big giant ones. So I'm really happy with that because I have scissors in every room in a compartment, so I won't be looking for scissors. Then, almost done here. I got this lavalier microphone, and I'm not gonna open. Well, yeah. Let me see if I can open it. No, it's gotta. What's in this? Let's see. It's got all the fixings and the microphone hooks and the little microphones, the little cord, and then the microphone itself so we can hook onto you. So I'm getting these things for my grandchildren, especially for my little younger, well, my grandchild who is writing movies and plays and things like that, and she wants to be a director-producer. So if she wants to direct and produce, she has to have things to direct and produce with. So, I search around, and when the companies, email me or whatever, I ask them, like, do they have this or do they have that? And then they ask me things. So lots of times things will show up here. I don't even know where they came from. But anyway, this is the lavalier microphone. And then I got this adjustable strainer. And I got this because I don't know why, but a lot of the pans nowadays, years ago they came with different things, but they don't come with those kinds of things. And when I got this is a strainer, and so I'll use this to strain off things like macaroni and spaghetti and things that I have to strain. And then only a couple more things. I got this Hobbyland cotton candy flavoring for the girls, and I'm going to be doing some cooking. So then I got some more of these. Well, they sent me some more, and I didn't order these. I got these to review, which I'm doing now. Okay, and these are for the bottom of the refrigerator. But then my daughter saw them, and I said, well, if I can get some more to review, I'll do them so that she can put them in the bottom of her refrigerator in the crisper. And then last thing, I had a big food processor that I couldn't use, so I gave it to my granddaughter, and it was by KitchenAid. And okay, I'm going to change my glasses next one. And I decided to get a little small one. So this is a smaller food processor, and I'm very happy with this, and I will use this, and I'll actually be doing cooking, so I will show you how I use things, because if I don't use it, I give it away or whatever. Alright, so that's it. So again, in tomorrow's mail, the OKC, she's going to get her package. Lintola, I need to talk to you, okay? And then Bonhuila, I'm adding things to her package, so I'll send hers out next week. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And, okay, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything or you want to review, ask me and I will tell you how. Okay? So God bless you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.